Alright, so we have the Aerb mini keyboard, and this has upgrades, rechargeable battery. I'm really excited for this. You can use it on an Android TV box. That's what I'm using it for, smart TV, projector. Alright, this is the black one. It does have a backlight. That's one of the features that I was really excited about, as the touchpad and the keyboard in one here. So good stuff. We'll take a look. Okay. So we have charging cord, manual. Okay. This is packaged very nicely. Okay, and this is our first look. Really great size here, nice on the hands. Lots of different features as you would in a normal computer keyboard. This is really great. Could manage the DPI there. Go and take the protective cover off for the IR sensor. Okay. And we have the back here. So rechargeable battery, there's the on and off switch. So we see the nice cool backlight here. Could change the DPI. Really neat. So I'll go and turn it off and look in here. We have our rechargeable battery, and then this is our USB receiver. Tucks in there. Very neat. Tuck back in there. Alright. So, and again we have the cord here. Comes with the instruction manual. So excited to hook this up to my Android TV box, and there we go.